We're gonna go up there and chase the snow because it's kind of hot outside.
It's 85.
Yeah, it's 85. So.
And it's Easter.
And it's Easter. There's a lake up there called Lake Sabrina. So we're just gonna drive up there, try to play in the water a little bit, and then maybe go play on the Buttermilk Boulders.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We don't know.
Let's see.
Off. Let's take this. I think we're good. You ready? We have our water bowl. We're good. All right. Road's closed.
We got the rest of the way on foot. 2 more miles.
Pretty.
I can't let you off yet, pup.
Crazy. So much energy. All right, trail.
Look at all that snow. Is that snow? Is that snow? Did you know it was 80 degrees down the hill and now you're in snow? Do you love it? Babies, do you love the snow? Then play in the snow. Play in the snow then. Yes. Yo, babies. Come on, babies. What are you gonna do? Yeah. Go, babies.
We made it. It's not what I expected.
It's pretty though.
It is really pretty. It's not in the way that I thought. Launching facility. We can launch our kayak.
Yeah, we should have brought our kayaks.
Or our ice skate.
Which direction you want to go?
I don't know.
You go to the top of that rock? You want to go over there?
Yeah, it's off of the rocks, man.
Okay.
Which way? This way. Up. Up.
Up.
Oh, good. She told us how deep it is.
Go, babies. Get up there. Get up there. Go, 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 go. You got it.
She can't make it. Come on, up.
All right. I guess we'll try a little bit. I'm going to try. You can see where people were stepping and bowed out. Ugh.
Gotta get to the island.
Yeah.
I bought an island. Good idea works. Are you okay? Daddy.
Ugh. You got it, babes.
I'm being light on my feet.
Smart. Get her, Shotzi. Get your mommy. Go get her, go. Good girl, got her mommy.
Come here. You'll be on leash because I'm not gonna go ice fishing for you. We came, we saw, we conquered. We're headed back.
It's frozen over. Can't do anything.
Yeah, can't kayak, not today. All right, back to the car. Yay. Score.
I enjoyed that a lot.
It was fun. I'm exhausted.
You want to go climbing? That's funny.
No,
So
we
much
can go.
for a plan.
I just don't know how strong I'm gonna be. I feel like I was stronger yesterday.
12,000 steps. I mean, how could you be
Very strong.
very strong at all? Have anything left in you? All right, we're gonna go to the Buttermilks
Take a nap.
to take a nap because Taryn's tired.
Who did that? Who fed me that much? But even though I'm full, I want a cookie. Why didn't we bring a cookie?
Yeah, orange.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't want an orange.
Don't want an orange, want cookie. I want chocolate. I feel you.
Wow! We almost died. Alright, I'm in a food coma too.
Oh no.
I know.
It's already 4:08.
408.
And how are we supposed to get a full day of climbing in at 4:08, no matter how much energy we have?
Yeah.
Maybe it's better saved for another day.
Yeah. We'll save it for another day. But for you guys, it'll be here in like just a second.
Come here, Shotzi. Come here, babies. This isn't about you. Remember you went nuts in the snow? There you go.
I got up there. I gotta remember that bouldering is dangerous.
Mm-hmm. Oh, man.
Barefoot. Wow. Remember, what goes up must come down. You got it. Nice. Are you okay? Yeah, you can. Oh, fun.
Yeah, that looks fun. Está loca. All the way to the top.
Grandma Peabody Boulder.
Is this Grandma Peabody Boulder?
I have no idea.
We're just fucking around.
I have no idea.
Even forgot forgot our shoes.
Yeah,
We don't have a crash pad. We don't like bouldering.
we don't like bouldering. It's dangerous. We only do big walls.
Yeah, it's like
Sure, babe, go to the top. You can walk off. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Yeah, it's solid. It's fun. Hi, Betta. Hi.
I'm coming down.
Cutie. Awesome. Kick that rock.
Ah, babes, I thought you were doing a Michael Jackson.
It's a pretty rock, though.
Sorry. Goes either way.
Whatever way you want, babes. Send it.
It goes either way. I'll start this way.
Okay. Nice. No shoes, no feet. Good girl. Nice, babe. Aww.
That was.
You did great.
And the feet really disappear.
Yeah, it's like as soon as the feet disappear.
Sick. Chalk would have helped.
What's that?
Chalk. Now we can play. Do you want some?
We can play or we can do a math problem. Crazy. Nice, babe. You're gonna send it now?
I don't have any.
Your feet look like they're already chalked, but it's just dirt.
There you go. I'll rub my feet on.
Almost, babies. That's right, no excuses. You have chalk now.
Woo! It's easier with no feet. And doing it like that.
Yay!
It's gone.
We'll put the chalk. We'll put it right there.
That
There it is.
was like the most responsible thing to do with that piece of chalk.
Yeah. Give
I'm
it to the
proud.
climb. Okay, come on, back to the truck. Which way? This way. Go. Girl climbers.